I have this growing gray.
Okay.
And it's very quick. Once I do roots, 2-3 weeks, I need to do touch up roots again. Because when I do like, just wear it like this, it shows, and it's not, I don't like it. I understand it maybe because of the contrast between this color and this, but I just want to get the color which would make me color the roots less, like I can be like, 2 months at least, without do any touch up or
How
something.
often you color now?
2-3 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks.
2-3 weeks, yeah.
And which color you apply?
I think they do dark brown. I don't know which number is it.
Okay.
But my natural hair is blonde.
Okay.
But lately it's been all gray growing.
Yeah, because the percentage of gray, I notice a lot of people who they got natural light hair, even when they don't have gray, it looks like they have gray regrowth. So your hair naturally is kind of a mid-ash blonde.
Yeah.
You combine that with the gray, so the line is very obvious, very obvious. So many clients who they don't even have gray at all, they have the same feeling.
Okay.
The problem is the contrast. You have too much contrast between your roots and the dark one.
Yeah.
And even if you apply a light brown, this light brown over light brown over light brown becomes dark brown, very dark brown, then it's almost black, like how it feels in certain parts of your hair now. Because when I'm looking at your hair at the front, it looks like black in a way.
Yeah.
But look the regrowth here, and look the regrowth there.
Yeah.
There is around 1 centimeter or 0.8 millimeters of growth here, while there is only 1 or 2 millimeters there. The hair at the top grows around 5-6 times more than the front. And the hair at the back, it grows 3 times more than the front, more than the top. So basically, when you try to touch up the roots at the top and the back, and you put the same color here, you're putting the color over already a colored area. That's why the hair at the front looks black, because here you might be able to get away with putting only on the roots, but at the front you can't. It's going to overlap. So the color is going to build and build and build, becomes really dark. And this is what's happening with you here, not counting the darkness that's been building on the top. Now, the only way to get out of here is, of course, bleach. We have to bleach it first, see how light it can turn, then accordingly we can bring you back to a color that's not so far away from this. The problem here that your gray is starting to hit a high percentage, almost 30%, 40%, but because it's combined with your natural light color, it looks higher than it should be. So if we want to land on a color that's low maintenance and it blends, means I have to try to get you to minimum dark blonde, minimum.
Yeah.
So dark blonde to medium blonde.
Yeah, that's fine. As long as it's more like on...
I do not know how much your hair will lighten because it's really dark.
Yeah.
And I don't know how much red is going to show. Usually when the hair is really dark, it will have a lot of red. How much sensitive you are to red colors?
I don't like, I don't want to get red color, so I want to get like cool shade.
Okay.
More like
Then
natural.
maybe in the worst cases, if your hair didn't give me a clean color on the ends, we'll bring you back to a chocolatey shade. A chocolatey shade at least is 4 shades lighter than this. I will show you how it looks like. So if your hair reacted well and there was not much red, and it was your lucky day, maybe we can get you to something. This might look too much. You see, I like the warm on you. Like this is ashier, but I instantly, when I put it here, I'm like, I think warm will look better on your skin.
I think it's, to be honest with you, I don't remember because I was coloring my hair for about 20 years dark.
Okay.
I think it's more like my natural color.
Yeah.
Like
See, even ash, I don't feel it's gonna look good on you, but we will see. This is the chocolate. You see, that's much softer. Yeah. Much softer. So what I am thinking, if your hair had a lot of red, we might be able to get you to something like this, or slightly lighter. But I will not be able to decide till we lighten the hair and see how the hair will react. Yeah. You see that? That's very soft. أعرف هذه لهون. Okay. So we will need to bleach the hair first. Then we'll come back and try to color it. When we bleach the hair will get affected. So usually we treat it to recover all the effect of the bleach. Is this has been blow dried or that's natural?
No, it's natural.
That's natural. Okay. So it's in a good quality, which is good. That means it's gonna, hopefully it will be able to handle a little bit of stronger bleach. Because if I want to get to something that's very low maintenance, I prefer to push it slightly more than what I do with other clients. Okay. Haircut. What do you want to do with the haircut?
I'm growing now because I
You're
had
growing.
short cut, so I'm kind of keep growing it. Or whatever it needs to be cut, maybe ends, I guess, but minimum. Like,
Yeah, with a
growing
bleach, I don't know if there is going to be a minimum. We'll decide, me and you, later.
Yeah.
Usually in the growing stage, you don't start growing the back till the front and the top gets long. This is already still too short, and most probably after the bleach, I will need to remove all that. Okay?
So yeah, we can trim all.
So the hair will still look slightly shorter. Yeah. So my advice to you, if you want to carry on a nice style for a while, we go back slightly shorter at the back.
Okay.
So the haircut will look more or less like this. We remove all this part that's sticking out because this is going to be a bit dry. I don't want it to frizz out. I rather bleach it, fix the color, and chop off all the hair that might cause a problem in the future. Then in the future, at least if you're growing a nice lighter color and it's healthy, you can grow it healthy altogether. Okay? Just wanted to be sure you're open to that idea, because those ends as well, they're not in the best condition. The top is healthy actually. As soon as we reach here, this is quite dry.
Yeah, I noticed.
So most probably it's going to be affected more with the bleach. We have a plan. After I bleach, I will reevaluate how light we can go. If I was able to get you lighter than the chocolate, I will do it. If you felt like it's too light for you, we can color it after the treatment one more time. So we always have a backup plan in case you felt it's too light for you. But if your hair responded well, I rather take my shot and try to give you lighter color. Okay. Okay, because that's going to be better for your gray and for your natural. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay. I'll give you the breakdown of the price, and if you're happy, we'll start. All right? Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a long day for you.
Yeah.
But I was shocked when you told me it's been 20 years. Yeah? I thought it's been like a couple of years, but when you told me it's been 20 years wearing dark, I'm like, gosh, this must be really shocking for you. But you look very chilled out. You're like, okay, you're just going a bit lighter.
Look at, this is my natural hair. So
This is your natural, okay, very good. So I was planning to leave it warmer, but after I've seen all the orange coming out, then I went with the ashier finishing. Because even this one's gonna have a bit of orange undertone. So when it washes out, I don't want it to shift to that shade. So from after a couple of visits to the salon, maybe we can start adjusting to something different. But this looks pretty nice. Even this shade, it looks very natural. Even me with the orange that you had on the side, I didn't think it's gonna clean up to this. So this is actually really good. The hair that was sticking out from the back, I chopped it all off. I ended up taking the haircut a little bit shorter than what it should be because the front was too damaged. So when I cut that little bit length from the front, I had to follow it up with the back. So this is something we cannot control when we have to go from really dark to blonde and do all that bleach. But how you feel in general?
Very good.
Yeah? I mean, your eyes color is popping out now.
Yeah, I think I look, because before I looked quite like tired-ish when you have
the dark hair, it was like draining you down.
Yeah, I think now it's even the face is like fresher.
Yeah.
So I don't tan a lot, but it's kind of still fresh. And it's not tired-ish.
That's good. I'm gonna get you to stand up for a minute, please. Other side. Go down. Okay, look down please. One last time. Your 4 جذور. Look down. Yeah. باين عليك. That's it. Beautiful. Ready.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling. You look great. I know you want to take it off your face.
And it's like, wow. And it's even light. Because before it's, you know, I know it's growing it.
Yeah.
But it was at the end. When you touch, it's
when
like...
you grow your hair, you have to be sure that you don't grow the back till the top gets long.
Okay.
So we'll grow it together now.
Yeah.
You're not alone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.